Hello and welcome to my channel, Yoga with Rachel. So aside from being a yoga instructor, I am also a classroom teacher. I have a beautiful cat and her name is Angel. She will make some guest appearances in some of our practices here together. So here's what you can expect from our classes together. A safe, welcoming, and inclusive space. Pets are welcomed as well. Practices that cultivate compassion towards yourself, others, and the world. We will explore some creative and playful ways in which we can move on our mats. There's an invitation to try something new or even take a risk. You can expect exercises designed to help you move better, to engage in laughter and have fun, and so much more. These practices are tailored to meet a variety of goals and needs. On the Yoga with Rachel channel, you will find videos for complete beginners. You will also find some energizing and heat-building practices designed to build strength and stability in the body while toning the core. You can explore practices that offer a gentle and yummy stretch to the whole body, as well as restorative practices that can help you relax and unwind. Are you looking to improve your joint health, range of motion, and overall mobility? Well, if you are, check out the Move Better playlist. So new practices are uploaded to the channel every single Sunday. To stay connected, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of new video uploads. I am so excited for you, and I am beyond thrilled to be embarking upon this journey with you. Please know that I am here to guide, support, and encourage you every step of the way. I have your back. Thank you so very much, everyone. Love you all and see ya on the mat. Bye for now.